Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Gmail to Slack. Alright, let's begin. First, open Slack on your device or through the web browser. If you're not logged in yet, sign in using your email or Google account. Once inside, choose the Slack workspace you want to connect with Gmail. This workspace is the team or organization environment where your conversations and channels are located. Next, go to the Slack Apps section by clicking on the Add Apps feature in the left bar. Then in the search bar, type Gmail. From the results, click on Slack for Gmail. You'll see a description and a Get It Now button. Click it and follow the setup prompts. Approve the required permissions to complete the integration. Once connected, Gmail will now work with Slack, allowing you to send emails into Slack channels and set reminders. So that's basically how you can connect Gmail to Slack. That's it for this video. Thanks.